A fragrance I get asked about a lot is this one. It is Halloween Man X. Now, for those of you that don't know, this is a very affordable fragrance. It smells very similar to Eros and coffee. So the way I imagine it, the person wanted to have like an Eros fragrance. When they got it back, they thought this smells good. And then they spilled their coffee on the sample and realized, holy cow, we got something there, because that's exactly the DNA of this. It is a good performer. You'll get about 8 hours of projection with it. Really heavy in the 6 hours. And then about 7 to 8, it still stays there though. It's a great fragrance. The atomizer, it's pretty good. It gets the job done. Again, it's just Eros and coffee. I don't know how else to explain it. Again, you're talking about a loud performing fragrance with the subtle aroma of coffee. Again, great for like your clubbing, for any wear, honestly. It can be daytime wear, evening wear. Because of the coffee and the Eros, it makes it a very versatile fragrance. I love this. And you can find this for about 30 bucks online sometimes, maybe 40 nowadays, but this is a great fragrance. Highly recommend it. Check it out if you want something really easy to wear, versatile, sporty fragrance. Hated that.